Hello everyone, I'm in Scarborough and this is Peasholm Park Lake, and as you can see it's a lovely sunny day and people are queuing for the dragon boats, and the dragon boats are going around the lake, and there's the bandstand, and sometimes on a Sunday bands play. But the main purpose of this video today is not to go around and film the lake, it is to go over there where there is a stream comes through and it's called Peasholm Glen. So I've never walked through it, and we'll just walk through it and see if there's anything worth seeing, and it takes us to the bridge next to the Manor Road Cemetery, so we'll have a look through there. I've come from over there, that's where they're queuing for the dragon boats. We're looking at the bandstand from this side. Dragon boats are on the water, and that's all the terrace seating and the cafe up there, and now we're heading this way, and as we go down here through the red section ahead at the side of Peasholm Glen, and here it says Peasholm Glen and Tree Trail. Lovely willow by the side of the water. My lads enjoying themselves. Little bridge over here. Wishing well. A dragon head sculpture. And Peasholm Park summer concerts. And that's all the bands, mainly brass bands, that are playing this summer. Nearly over. Just a few to go here. Oh, mini golf up there. So we're heading down here. These willows are superb. Got the low canopy on this one. More my lads. A duck sculpture. There's a mighty fine hosta there. Seagulls and squirrel together. Hanging about to see if I'm going to feed them. So it's made up of quite a few intersecting ponds. There's a Chinese pagoda there, and you can see here from the ponds that they're shifting levels. And there's another bridge walkway here. Oh yes, I can see beyond that the pond, the other side, is much higher. Slow trickle of water over the fall there. More mallards. And then here we are on the bridge. There's a slightly bigger waterfall to this pond. Not a lot of water coming over it, but at least it's still running. Just on my right here we've got a huge base of a tree. Must have been overhanging the glen, so they had to take it out. And then just there, a mushroom sculpture. and another mushroom sculpture. And then over there, another mushroom sculpture. More squirrels. And this pond level's still going up because there's another waterfall there. He's not bothered about me, he obviously gets fed regularly. That's why he's not bothered. This looks like the top pond, but still don't know what's feeding it up there. And then looking over here, another magnificent willow tree. Looking back now, and you can see the sun cutting through the ponds lower down. And I think this is now the section where the ponds end and we start with streams. Could be wrong. I think it goes to a stream now. We'll walk up there. Under the sculpture, oh this one, is a kingfisher. And this one is a woodpecker. And that one is just used as a bird table. Then here we have another bridge crossing the stream. And then this next sculpture looks like a heron. It's getting dark up here. Got a squirrel, I was just jumping down, but he was on the sculpture, this next one, which is not sure, badger, otter, something like that. Oh look, he's come right here to see if I've got anything. I'm not sure about that one. Looks a bit badgerish to me. Another feeding plinth with food on. Another sculpture, short-tailed bird with a beak broken off. I would imagine that's another kingfisher. Yeah, that's a kingfisher. Another kingfisher in dive mode, going for a fish. Here he is, he's caught his fish. Another bridge. Another fine sculpture. Looks like somebody praying. Yeah, got Chinese symbols on the helmet or the hairline there, so it's all based on Chinese pagodas, etc. down at Peasholm, so that might be a nod to a god or a deity. Oh, which way do we go? The path splits. I don't think it matters. Another bridge, another pond, and a waterfall section. I've never done this walk before, but I must say it's quite interesting. It's longer than I thought. We are working our way up to the Manor Road Cemetery, and a good number of sculptures along here as well, so that's good. I'm getting the feeling I should have taken the lower path because there's a bridge up there, but I seem to be on a windy trail here which is carrying me to the top of the street, so we'll see where it takes us. Yes, it's brought me out onto, I think it's Peasholm Crescent, so instead of taking the path to the left I should have taken the path to the right. But where those cars are moving up there is just where the bridge is, so I'll walk to the point to where I should have got to. So I'm now on the bridge. We've got the start of the cemetery over there to the left, and over here to the right is the Peasholm Glen walk. Can't see the path yet, but it should be just here, the path that I should have come along. There. So that's the Peasholm Glen walk. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.